In this video, we will discuss about question number 1, exercise 3.2, coordinate geometry. So, observe what is the question. Write the answer of each of the following questions, in which we are having 3 questions. We want to give what? Answers. So, how we will give answers of following questions? These all questions are based on Cartesian system. In the last class, we studied Cartesian system. So, again I am revising so you can understand all points. Then we will solve these questions. So, what is the Cartesian system? How we are making that system? So, it is what? Cartesian system having two perpendicular line, and in which we are having one point and we want position of that point. So for finding position of that point, we will refer these two perpendicular lines to show position of that point. What I am saying? This topic, this chapter, we can say coordinate geometry is based on Cartesian system. Cartesian system is what? Having two perpendicular line. And what about these perpendicular line? They are what? Number lines. We studied in the chapter number 1, number system. We studied about number line. We are having two number lines. Number 1, horizontal number line, and number 2, vertical number line. Both number lines are having what? Positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. This one is what? Horizontal number line, and this one is what? Vertical number line. Once we place vertical number line on the place of 0 perpendicularly at the horizontal number line, then we are getting Cartesian plane. This is what? This is a Cartesian plane, and Cartesian plane is also called what? XY plane or coordinate plane. So this is a one plane and it is having 3 names. Number 1, XY plane, Cartesian plane, and third one is what? Coordinate plane. So these all linked to what? Cartesian system. So Cartesian system having two perpendicular lines, and using both lines we will decide a position of, or we will describe position of a point in a plane. Clear? So we are having two lines. This one is horizontal, this one is what? Vertical. This vertical line is intersecting at 0 perpendicularly. Perpendicular means what? At a 90 degree. Clear? Then we are getting what? We are getting 4 parts. Both lines giving us 4 parts. First one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Or they are called what? Quadrants. So in a XY plane, we are having once horizontal number line and vertical number lines intersect perpendicularly at origin 0, then we are getting 4 parts, and these 4 parts are called what? Quadrants. These 4 parts are called what? Quadrants, and numbered what? First, second, third, and fourth. And how we will decide first one? We will go anti-clockwise. How? We will go anti-clockwise from OX. We will go anti-clockwise from OX. So this will be first, this will be second, this will be third, and this will be fourth quadrant. This horizontal number line, this horizontal line is called x-axis, and this vertical line is called y-axis. This is called x-axis and this is called y-axis. Clear? This first quadrant is having plus plus minus 7. This bracket is what? It is showing coordinate of a point. And coordinate of a point we will write in a bracket. First we will write x coordinate, then y coordinate. X coordinate is what? Abscissa. And y coordinate is what? Ordinate. Clear? So once we are having positive and positive real numbers, then that is what will be in a first quadrant. Once we are having minus and plus real numbers in a bracket, then that will be in a second quadrant. Minus minus will be in a third quadrant, and plus minus will be in a fourth quadrant. Clear? Now this is the basic theory of Cartesian system. You must revise last class, then you can understand well. So now I am taking these questions. What is the question? What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the, what is the name? What we want? We want name. What is the name of horizontal? What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines? We want the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane. This is the Cartesian plane. We want what? To determine the position. We are having one point there. Suppose this is one point. So I am taking, this is one point. This is the A and it is in a plane. We want its position. So how we will decide its position? We are having horizontal number line and vertical number line, horizontal x-axis, and this is what? Y-axis. So by using these lines we will decide its position. So what will be its coordinate? We will take first x-axis. What is the x-axis? It is at the 2, so we will take 2 comma, then what is the y-axis? It is like this. How it is? I am drawing this one. I am talking about this point. So this is 2 and this one is what? 1. So 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 is a position of point A in a plane. This is the one plane. We are having this point A. Then how we will define? So it will be 2 units away from y-axis. This is the y-axis, 2 units away from y-axis, and 1 unit away from x-axis. So this is showing what? Position. So question is what? What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? So this is Cartesian plane. So we want the name of horizontal line, and this is vertical. This horizontal line is called what? X-axis. This is what? X-axis. And this vertical line is called y-axis. This is called y-axis. So what is that? What is the name of horizontal number line? This will be x-axis. And what is the name of vertical number line? This will be what? Y-axis. Clear? So this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand. Easy questions. What is this? We want the name. Horizontal number line is called x-axis and vertical number line is called y-axis. Now next one. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? What is the name of each part? Both lines, horizontal line and vertical number line, having 4 parts. What is the name of each part of plane formed by these two lines? So these two lines are formed 4 parts. First part, second part, third part and fourth part. And they are called what? Quadrant. What? They are called quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So what is the name of each part of plane formed by these two lines? These two lines making 4 parts, and these parts are called what? quadrants and numbered first, second, third, fourth from OX anti-clockwise from OX. Clear? So what is the name of each part? So these name of these parts, each part will be what? Quadrant. A quadrant means is what? 1/4 part. Quadrant means 1/4. 1/4. So this will be answer will be quadrant. Quadrant. Clear? Now write the name of each of the point. Write the name of each of the point where these two lines intersect. One is horizontal line, vertical number line. Horizontal number line is called x-axis, vertical number line is called y-axis. Point where, name of the point where these two lines intersect. So both intersect at 0, or that is called what? Origin. That is called origin. So both lines, x-axis and y-axis, intersect at where? Origin. This is the answer for this question. So once you understand the basic concept of coordinate geometry, then you can easily to solve these questions. So you must revise the last class, or we can say introduction of the coordinate geometry. In that class I explained each and every point in details, so you can understand all points. So I hope you understand these all questions. These all questions are based on the Cartesian system. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.